Well, this is a mega Vikas push by Prime Minister Modi in battleground UP. He is laying the foundation stone of the Ganga Expressway at Shahjahanpur at 1. The 594-kilometer long expressway will connect 12 districts of the state, including Meerut, Prayagraj. Built at a cost of 36,200 crore rupees, it includes a 3.5-kilometer airstrip. The Ganga Expressway will connect western UP to eastern UP, and states like Delhi, Haryana and Bihar will not be easily connected by this, will now be easily connected by expressway. It connects 519 villages. Besides this, 9 public conveniences centers, 7 railway overbridges, 126 minor bridges, 381 underpasses will be built. This travels across 12 districts, namely Meerut, Hapur, Bulandshahr, Amethi, Amroha, Sambhal, Badaयूं, Shahjahanpur, Hardoi, Unnao, Pratapgarh as well. Abhishek Mishra is getting asked more details on that. And this, Abhishek, first of all, good morning. This, Abhishek, is a big push as far as UP elections are concerned. The message the BJP has been continuously trying to send out is that of a double-engine growth in the state of UP, like in any other states where the state is being ruled by the BJP, essentially, isn't it?
Well, absolutely, Sneha, and that is the reason that one by one we are witnessing how PM Narendra Modi is on a tour in Uttar Pradesh. One by one he's inaugurating the projects, laying foundation stone for the future schemes. And today here in Shahjahanpur, where he will be laying the foundation stone and for the Ganga Expressway, which is very important, not just in terms of the agenda of development, but what this expressway is going to give away to the state. 594 kilometers is the total stretch. More than 36,230 crore is the investment, and the majorly it's going to connect the western part to eastern part. And now the passage from Haryana to Uttar Pradesh extreme corner at Bihar is going to be very easy. Earlier also we have seen how Purvanchal Expressway was inaugurated. It is also focused on giving a message in the Purvanchal, but through this expressway, politically and electorally also at the same time, it's going to connect the party with the agenda of development and connecting 12 districts. If I talk about Shahjahanpur and this belt, almost 22 Vidhan Sabha assembly seats are there, and that is a main target of the party. And one by one, with all these projects, be it the expressways or the medical colleges, we have seen in Gorakhpur and Varanasi, yes, Kashi corridor, all these new projects which are coming in are targeted in Purvanchal only. Yes.
Interesting. Thank you, Abhishek, for getting us up to speed with that. Abhishek is in Shahjahanpur, and of course, we'll keep going back to him for more details on that story as it develops.